In this video, I will be showing you how to see the usage limit stats in Google Antigravity code editor. So let's get started. So I'll be showing you for both Antigravity 2.0 as well as the Antigravity IDE. So first let's begin with the 2.0 one. For this, to the left we'll be having settings, select it, and in settings just go to models. And here, as you can see, we'll be having the model quota. Here we are having for Gemini model separately as well as the Claude and GPT models separately. And we'll be having the weekly limit along with the number of days after it will fully refresh. So at the moment, I have 57% left, and here I'm having 94% usage left, which means I have used 43% and 6% over here. And all the Gemini models are grouped together as well as the Claude and GPT models are grouped together. So that's with Antigravity 2.0. Now let's go to Antigravity IDE. So for this, just go to File and Preferences. Here we are having Antigravity IDE settings. Select it. Here just go to the same models. And here also we'll be having the same categorization. Gemini models are calculated separately as well as the Claude and GPT models are calculated separately. Here also we will be having the number of days after it will refresh. Here the usage is denoted by the gray and light dashes over here. So I haven't used Claude or GPT models. That's why I'm having the light color over here like these 5 dashes. But I have used some percentage of Gemini model. That's the reason why only 3 of them are light and the rest 2 are gray in color. So if it goes completely gray, I won't be able to use that particular group of models. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.